back to Lex Reads. So in today's video, I wanted to do another organize my TBR slash manage my TBR. I did one last month. I'll put it down in the description box. But when I just did that on a whim, I noticed that it helped me accountable and I was able to manage it. I finished it, I would say I was about 90% because one book I did not finish, but I'm like, it's okay. I finished the two that was on there, and then the book that I didn't finish, I'm just going to put it for this month, and I know this month I will finish it. I have been highly distracted with reading so many great books this year. When I tell you the year's not even over, and I have read 47 books, and my goal for this year was to read 50. I'm almost done with my goal. I have been reading some bomb books, and again, the year's not even over yet. Also, some of my anticipated reads haven't even come out yet. And I'm still managing to read, 4 to 5 star books, so I'm really happy about that, but I am getting a little distracted. And like I said, this did help. So I decided to just do 3. I was going to add an extra book. If I do get done with, the 3, then I will add that extra book and I'll tell you about that book later. These 3 books. Again, you saw these 2 books from last month. This book right here, didn't finish it because I got distracted. And it's not because the book is not great. The book is fantastic. Again, just getting distracted. This is American Daughters by Harper Hughley. This is a historical fiction. It is about Booker T. Washington's daughter and Teddy Roosevelt's daughter. You guys know how much I love historical fiction. I'm currently on page 58. So I did read a little bit last month because I think I was on page like 30 something. But yeah, I read a little bit, okay? So this is going to be on there. I am also going to be including a J. California Cooper book. I think I'm probably going to do that like every month until I'm done with her catalog. Because you guys know for my author project, I'm focusing on her catalog. And this time, I'm going to read a novel by her. The last, 3 books I've read by her has been short stories. So I'm going to read a novel, and I did choose a short one. This is like 200 and some pages. I can probably do like read a book in one day of this book. So I'm going to read Family. And I did start this, and I'm going to have to restart it again because I don't remember anything about it. I do know it's slavery theme. I got to page 16, and as you guys can see, I did tab a little bit of some of the pages, but I am going to start over again. And then lastly is Anna Karenina by Leo Tolstoy. You guys know I've been doing my Black Girl Read Anna Karenina series, and last month I wanted to read 3 and 4, and I did. And so this month I'm going to read 5 and 6 because these are 8 parts. So I'm just going to combine them together as opposed to doing just one part. So when I do the video, it's going to be both parts. That's going to hurry up my reading process. I am on page currently 437, and this book is 800 and some pages, so I don't have that much far to go. And how I've been navigating this is reading it and listening to it. And the good thing is when I'm at work, sometimes I might pop in my audiobook, or when I'm driving, and then on Audible you can like take notes on the chapter, so I can bookmark it and have my thoughts. And then I always have like my notebook, so I can transfer those notes to the notebook. But yes, like I stated before, I was going to add a 4th book. I was going to add Tumbling by Diane McKinney Westone. That is also on my TBR list. When I get done with these, it depends on the time frame. And if it's still the month of June, I will squeeze that in because that book is not that long. And then also too, it's Diane McKinney Westone. You guys know how much I love that author. She's just like Donnie Hill and Bernice McFadden. I can easily read her book. So I did try to listen to the book. I have it on audio, but I don't want to listen to it. I want to physically read it. I started it, you guys, and I got to maybe about 6 minutes in listening to it. And I said, yeah, no, let me turn it off, because it just wasn't giving me the same feeling that I want with reading her books. And I want to highlight, tab, everything. She makes you want to do that. And that book, it got a lot of tea and drama. I cannot wait to share that book with you guys. Now, let's go to my whiteboard so I can track this down. Okay, so here's the whiteboard, and I have May's must read. I'm going to erase that because it's not May anymore. And I'm obsessed with this whiteboard. If you can, get a whiteboard, I would highly recommend it. I now have one for my office at work because I like to see everything and check it off. I'm real old school. I have to write things down. I have to write notes down and list. And when I do have a list, I feel accomplished. And when I have a list, I can check off what I finished and it makes me feel some type of way. It really does help. So, yeah. Okay, so we put June must reads. I'm going to put J. California Cooper. Oh, family on there. Anna Karenina says Anna Karenina finish part 4 and 5. Yes. And then American Daughters. Still have that on there. Once I have, read one of these, I will check it off. And then we'll just go from there. So again, these are my picks for the month of June of managing my TBR. I know that I can do it. It's just me getting distracted. Now, you guys notice I did not put the Unsung Black Book Club pick for the month of June, which is Bedrock Faith. I don't have to put that on there because I always make sure I read our book club pick. This is a priority. I don't even need to put it on there. Side note, our Unsung Black Book Club pick for the month of June is Bedrock Faith by Eric Charles May. Cannot wait to get into this. So yes, and I will be starting this on Monday. Yeah, because it's like later in the month and I haven't started this yet. So yeah, cannot wait. So yeah, guys, that is just a short video of me managing my TBR. I believe I am going to start doing this every month to keep me accountable. And like I said, I do like the gratification of going to the board, checking, my list off, knowing that I did finish a book. So yeah, guys, that's all I have for you. And I'll be back with more Black books. Bye.